Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you these cool Interlinked cards. You ready? Let's go! Okay guys, so I've printed out these cool Interlinked hearts that I got here on Thingiver, on My Mini Factory from Jason Satur. Probably butchered his name. So it's a simple low poly interlocked hearts that print without support. At a smaller scale it makes a nice keychain. And having printed out, it would make quite a nice keychain. So I thought I'd print these out as it's, Valentine's Day coming up. Well, as at the time of recording this, it's coming up, but depending on when this comes out and when I get around to uploading it, or if you're watching this in the future, hello to the future, it may have already come around, or already been and gone. So I downloaded these and put them into Simplify 3D, and these aren't the exact ones, but these are ones that are pretty like it. But actually, yeah, they are the same ones. What was I saying? So when you download the file, you'll get a few different ones. So, it's going to load it up in Cura. Don't want Cura. So there's a single heart. There's a few different ones that have like 5 sides and whatnot. So, these ones are a bit bigger, but these are the ones that I printed out, and I think they look pretty nice. And so some of the settings I used were, I used a 2mm layer height, and I used a skirt. I'm printing something at the moment, so some of these things are a tiny bit different. I used a fast honeycomb infill, and I used roughly 10 or 20%, and I didn't need. There's no support needed, and I'm using the CR10, which is a very, very good 3D printer I've found, and it has served me well. Well, it is serving me well, and I think the prints that have come out of it have been fabulous. Now I have the original CR10s, but reality, if you're watching, I wouldn't mind you sending me over a big one. Yeah, you're good with that. Okay, guys. So now that I've said to you about all the settings and stuff, let's get onto a time lapse. Let's go. Hey guys, what you're seeing here is the final result. It looks really nice. If you enjoyed, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. See you later guys.